Hi, today we're going to talk about golf mental toughness and how it's going to help your game. My name's Linda and I'm from Golf Psychology the Candy Way. Okay, let's think about all sports. Every single sport you have to be physically strong in one way or another. You have to be physically fit. But did you know for most sports you have to be mentally fit as well? Now, that is golf in particular. We're going to just look at golf at the moment because it is so arduous mentally. If we play football or basketball or tennis, we react to a ball. We don't have time to think, do we? If that ball is coming towards you and you're playing tennis, you stick your racket out and you whack it one. If you're playing football, out goes your foot and you have set patterns of play. You have rehearsed so many times, you know who you're sending that ball to. Well, it's not like that in golf, is it? You get so much time to think about your game. You get so much time to think about the ball you've just played, how you're going to play the next ball. Should you change your game strategy? How is the weather affecting you? Oh, you don't like playing in the wind, or it started raining and it's going to change the speed of the greens. There is so much going on in your head, and you've got time to let those thoughts just chip away at your belief. Now, if you develop your golf mental toughness, what it does is you learn to control those thoughts. You learn to channel your thoughts the best way possible so that even if you are having a bad game or you have done a bad shot and you're really feeling sick to the stomach about it, it actually helps you control the thoughts and turn things round so that you don't lose your confidence, so that you don't lose your self-belief in you as a golf player. Does having golf mental toughness mean that you'll play every shot brilliantly? No. Does it mean that you'll win every round? No, it doesn't. But it does mean that you don't feel bad about it. It does mean that you're not going to take it forward with you to the next game, that you know just to leave it and play in the present. That's what it does mean. Anyone can develop golf mental toughness. You're not born with it. Those pro players you watch on television, they have probably spent as much time developing their mental game as they have their physical game. And that's why, look, some do blow up, I know, but that's why the majority of them, even when they're having a bad round, can carry it off. You can still have a bad round and keep your confidence. Okay, that was a little explanation about golf mental toughness. I'll be back soon with another tip for you. So look out and let's improve your golf together. Bye for now.